It is like 2 feet of snow outside. The icicles are creating a curtain outside my back door. Picture right there. But I wanted to feel a little tropical, you know. I wanted to feel like spring is in the air. That's what I wanted to feel like. Spring is in the air. So, hence my look, you know. And the new glasses. What y'all think about these glasses? I kind of like them. These are so like teacher. Aren't these like, these are sexy teacher. Okay, but anyway, let's get started. There's a tag going around called Show Me Your Dent, right? And I was actually, now me being me, I didn't know I was tagged in it because, you know, I think I ain't never tagged in anything. But I was by Kia, Yummy411, who created this tag. Thank you, sweets. I appreciate it. So anyway, I am doing this tag finally. Thank you so much, Kia, for tagging me. I appreciate it. Let's go on and do it. Okay, so I was conflicted on doing this tag, and the reason was not because I don't like the tag and I thought it was silly, but because I decant so much and I sell so much off of my collection. I was like, well, I don't know which ones are me and which ones are, you know, for me selling. So I decided to do a Show Me Your Dent, and it's kind of like the decant edition. There's a few things that are just me, but the majority of the stuff is from decanting and, you know, so sharing my collection with people, which part of the reason why I do it is because I hate, you know, to like give out recommendations and then people spend the same type of money I am, like my dumb ass buying blind buys, and then they don't like it. So that's kind of why I do the decants. Plus it helps to support me buy more stuff. Just being honest, you know, I sell off some of these bottles and then I can buy more bottles. It is the truth. Okay, so let's get started. So I have a few that are, I actually have a few that are just me. So let's start out with the ones that are just me, and then we'll get into the decants. So the ones that are just me at this point is this one. Now I'm gonna show you both because this is Amazing Grace Ballet Rose. I have both of these. You see, this one is almost done because I kind of carry this in my purse, and then sometimes I use this one. So this is Amazing Grace Ballet Rose. I just love this. This is such a throw, kick around fragrance. Beautiful. Could I open it? It's a beautiful rose, you know, a lightweight rose, perfect for spring, perfect for summer, perfect just to have in your purse when you just need to throw on a, you know, you forgot this is like a great purse fragrance. When you just need something, when, you know, like you forgot to put on perfume and you just want to put on something, this is a great one for that. You'll always smell good. You won't, you know, offend anybody. Next up is this one, This is Marc Jacobs Dot. It's almost gone. I lost the top, as you can tell, and I still love it. And every time I wear it, I haven't been wearing it that much, but the last time I put it on, I was walking out the building. So I was like, oh my God, you smell so good. It is just a really pretty floral, kind of fruity. It's been so long, I don't even remember what it smells like too much, to be quite honest. Well, let's just spray it on you, Louise. No, I don't want to because I got something else I want to put on. So never mind. That was a whole conversation with myself. This is a new one I just got, so it's not a huge dent, but it is considering I've only had it like for 2 weeks. And this is Kiss Me Intense by Nicolai Parfums. So I have used quite a bit since I got it, and I've just talked about it. It's on IG. I've talked about it. It's in my last haul. I will put that up there sometime or whatever. So that is Kiss Me Intense. And then I think that's it for the ones that are just, oh no, this one is totally me. This is Essence Absolute. This is my little baby. This is my little baby. This is my personal one, the 30 mil. When I got it, I was kind of like, you know, just spraying myself all the time with it. Yeah. All right, so now let's talk about some decants and things that I wear in decant. The first one I'm gonna talk about is Versacce's Jasmine Wisp. You can kind of see where it is in the bottle, but it's like about down here. I actually need to get another bottle for myself, but this is just so beautiful. Everybody knows I love it. I've been like, you know, people try it out fall in love. It's one of my favorite fragrances. So that's Jasmine Whisk. This one is a surprise because I only, I have a limited amount in my bottles that I sell, and I'm almost done with this one. This is Elisab Girl of Now Shine. This has become more popular lately, because it used to be Girl of Now, but now everybody wants to try Girl of Now Shine. I am honestly thinking about picking up a 50 ml for myself and just selling off, letting people get decants of this so enough people can try it. So I don't know, I'm debating that right now. Then this one right here, the Shiny Ani right here. So this is Ani, and this is how much. Now I was wearing it. I've worn it quite a few times. Oh, I wore this in the summertime. I was just, in the mood to smell spicy, sexy vanilla. I had a dinner date outside during COVID. Outside, I'm just saying, outside. Then we have Amber Fever. Now let's just get into some Manceras. This is Amber Fever. I went and picked out the Manceras that have, I went and picked out the Manceras that, have the biggest dents in them from people ordering. So this is Amber Fever. This is just, this is kind of boozy. I think it's got a little whiskey in it. It's very, it vibes sort of like BR540, but it's sweeter. It's better on my personal skin because we know I don't do BR540. Now, next up on this, of course, is, where's it at? Oh, there she is. Holidays. Holidays has been very popular. I'm almost done decanting this one too, because this is just so pretty, so glorious. This is just a great summertime sexy date night fragrance. Now, of course, Roses Greedy, because I'm trying to be better, and not curse, so I'm just gonna mouth the words sometimes. But this is Roses Greedy. This is where I am on this. I have sold so much, I have shared so much, I have worn this so much. I'm honestly thinking about getting myself another bottle for me and just go ahead and decanting off this last part, because I was like, oh my God, what's going on? All right, so that's that one. Now we're gonna get into some that I have sold out. I'm not selling anymore. Well, let me backtrack. All right, and then y'all know, speaking of roses, let's talk about Wild. Now, when you see this, you're gonna be looking at it like, well, that's not a lot. Okay, well, let me tell you why this is a lot. Because this is the second bottle. This is the second bottle. I have an amount that I'm supposed to be selling off, and then I wear it, and then I've shared it with some people because it's like, oh girl, you need to try this. When I looked at my bottle, it was like literally down to the little black parts, right? I wound up giving that to somebody, to Yaya, because I'm Gigi Yaya. She was here for Christmas. I let her smell it. She was like, oh my God, this smells so good. I gave it to her, and now she's bought her own bottle of Wild Python. So this is the second bottle that I'm selling. And honestly, I wound up getting a good deal. So this is the bottle. I'm selling this bottle, and I bought my own personal bottle again, so that won't happen again. So once this is done, I'm kind of done selling Wild Python. And it's like, I try to think of it like that, but what do you think? Like, if something is really popular and sells out, if I get it, if I can see a good deal on it, should I get it again? Because it is kind of popular and people want to try it. And I'm saying that because I'm going into my sold out phase right now. So these are the ones that I have sold out on that I'm no longer decanting. This one right here is L'Entredit Intense. So this is a small bottle, so I only did a few on this one. But yeah, so I'm done with this one. It's, it's a beautiful vanilla tuberose, but it's not bubblegummy, and that's why I like it. It's a very sexy vanilla tuberose. All right, and then what else have I sold? Oh, what I was about to forget. La Belle. So La Belle is down to here, but never fear, I have a 30 ml that I actually keep, that is mine to like carry with me. But this is my big bottle of La Belle, and she gone. I had to remember. I was like, oh snap, what am I doing? What am I doing? Now, Cocoa Vanille is gone too. I'm no longer decanting this. Like I said, I might put this back on because it is getting toward that time of year. If I can find a good deal on Cocoa Vanille for myself, I'll finish off and decant the rest of this bottle. But at this moment, it's sold out. And I can honestly say that I fought this one on Miss Helen from Helen H, because she talked this stuff up, and so many people was like, Helen said I need to try Cocoa Vanille, and they was all coming to get decants of Cocoa Vanille. So that's what sold that one out. And finally, this one right here, which is not a surprise if you think about it. This is Alien Essence Absolute. Look at how deep and dark that juice is. Baby, this is gone. This is gone. This is done. This is over. Now, I have a 30 ml that's mine. Where's my little baby? Like I told you, my little baby. This is the refill I have of it. So this is mine. I will only open up selling it again if I can find it another refill at a good price, because I'm not going to get a 30 ml and try to, that's too much. But if I can get another 60 ml refill at a good price, then I'll get it, and then I'll decant that one off and just keep these, because that's enough for me to have for quite some time. Because it's not like I'm just being honest, and I know some people be trying to act like, oh, where's the some of us be giving away stuff and acting like we the only people who spraying it on ourselves. No, we not. You not spraying it like that. Okay, come on, stop talking like that. Okay, but anyway, I got one more and I almost forgot. Hold on. I just did the last decant. I'm doing the last decant of this one this week, because that's it. That's all. And that's Delina Exclusive. Not the original Delina, but the Exclusive, because everybody wants to try this one. Because let's face it, I know some people will say this isn't as good or whatever, but honestly, I like them both. Don't get me wrong, they smell good, but I really like Delina Exclusive a little better, because it's just a little sexier to me. It's just a little badder. It's a little, y'all know. I've talked about this too many times. You know what I think about it. All right, so that's it. All right, so that is it on my Show Me Your Dent, which ones I've used up, and just call it the decant edition. So thank you for watching. What have you used up? What are you using up in your collection? What are you planning on using up? That's a good question. And as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Don't forget to subscribe, because it's just a polite thing to do when you visit somebody's YouTube home. I'm telling you, I'm just, it's just polite. And if you would like to go ahead and join and become a member of this channel to help support the channel and get some goodies that, are on the low. Now, as always, it's LuuLuu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Talk to you later.